Hi folks, in this video I'd like to show you how to add and remove different quotes or just update the existing quotes in the quotes rotator small component. This would be the component right here. Pretty straightforward. There's only a couple things you need to be aware of, and that's the containers or the wrappers for each quote. I'm just going to show you where they are or how to work with that. So let's expand the library folder, the components folder, and the quote rotator small. Let's open that up. Okay, and you'll see it's pretty straightforward. We have a title right here, an H2 title. You can remove that if you don't want it. It's just the title that you see right here. You don't need that whatsoever. So if you don't want it, just select it, hit the H2 tag, selector, and delete, and it's gone. All right. For our case, we'll just leave it there, and what we'll do is probably this will be used more for client testimonials. This is typically what this sort of a component is used for in websites. It just shows the number of testimonials your customers have, whatnot. Now, to edit the content, basically what we have here is we have a div class, a container for each quote, and the container is called quote rotator. And inside that container, we have a p tag for the content that you see here, and then down below we have another p tag for the actual quote from the author. When making your edits, what I suggest you do is start by just make sure that you don't knock out the div class of quote rotator. As a matter of fact, when I make these edits, what I do is I put my cursor in to an existing, just click on a word, and then I hit the p tag, and then this is my new quote, or I just directly copy and paste the text in there from wherever my source is coming from, and I make sure that I still have a p tag wrapped around that information there. Now, if you want to remove, and you probably will, you may not want this many quotes visible. If you want to remove a quote, just simply click on any bit of text, locate the p tag, then go find the div class of quote rotator located in the quick tag selector bar up here. Click it, press delete. Right, same thing. Click, press delete. And there you go. Now we've reduced the total number of quotes to about 4. If you want to add quotes, same sort of a thing. You would actually select the class, edit, copy, and let's just see if we can put our cursor down here and do an edit, paste. There we go. That adds one back in, right? Typically, I would actually do that in the, let me get rid of this here, in the code view though. I would switch over to the code view. I'd find the div class of quote rotator. I'd copy it and just paste it and paste it and paste it for each new one that I wanted. As you can see in the design window, it sort of pastes the additional quote down below all the div tags, so that would sort of put it outside of the rotating animation container that we want to have it within. So best to do that one in the code view here.